Hi there. I'm going to create a video here to help support you using the while loop. And we are going to be tying in some other great coding or programming tools that you have learned so far in this course as well. So, to start things off, as you can see here, I'm printing this off where we have welcome to the Donut mobile stand. So, if I were to run this, here we go. That's what we have so far. So, that's exactly what we're going to do is we're going to take orders for donuts. So to do that, first thing I'm going to do is ask for the user for their name. So I would like to know, okay, so let's say they're on their phones or whatever device. I'd like to know what their name is so I can keep track of that and then what their orders are. So don't forget when you're asking for the end user for some information, it's not just a print statement. We are going to ask them to have we're going to use the input function. So here we go. I just to save some time, I just pasting this in. We have username, that's going to be my variable name, equals input. Hello, please tell me your name. So if we run this, all right, perfect. Please tell me your name. And now you can see the cursors waiting for that input. So if I were to type in Tina, that's it because we haven't done anything else. Maybe at this time I'd like to print like hello, something like that, just to recognize that you got the name. So you're going to go F and let's say we're going to go hi and then we're going to call username, so the variable. So we use the F string. If you recall, that helps us just bring in that variable, so we don't have to do a lot of work with plus signs and so on. This is very simple. So hi username. Let's see how we're doing. So run. Oops, I always do this. I forget to close my quotation mark for my strings. Let's click run. All right. So put in my name. Oh, username is not defined. Well, that would be because I don't have that underscore. Let's run it again. There we go, Tina. And there you go. Hi, Tina. Okay. So what we're going to want to do now is communicate to the end user what are their donut choices. So let's do that next. So let's say we're going to print another statement here. So I can go print and I can say, here are your donut choices. Okay, and we can just list off as many or as little as we would like. So I'm just going to do some basic ones here. And if you were to replicate this, you could, of course, do that in any kind you'd like. And let's keep testing our code. So let's say we have Kathy this time. Hi, Kathy. Here are your donut choices: chocolate, cinnamon, jelly, and lemon. Okay, perfect. Okay. So now what we want to do is give them an opportunity to tell us, well, what would they like? What kind of donut? So let's collect that information. So let's call that user order. Okay. And I'm going to actually indicate here by comment code, collect donut order, okay, from end user. Okay. So now I'm going to go user order. That is going to be my new variable, user order this time. And it's going to be whatever they choose. So input, I'm going to ask them which donut, oops, I would spell it wrong, would you like to order? Okay, and then we're going to give them some space. And then that gives them the opportunity to let us know what kind of donut would they like to order. So let's run this. So again, let's say we have Mark, who this time wants to order some donuts. Hi, Mark, here are your donut choices: chocolate, cinnamon, jelly, and lemon. Which donut would you like to order? So I can now type in, let's say chocolate. And there we go. And that's it. We're done. We can print now what they've ordered. So we can do that. Here is your total order of donuts. But the problem is you're only really given one opportunity to order a donut. So what we want to do is give them more than one opportunity. So, and also, yeah, so let's give them more than one choice to order a donut. And that's going to be in the next part of the video is how can we take it to that next step?